Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this ponytail. It's the longer version of the Kim K video ponytail that I did. So I ended up having to get two because the first one that I got was like the dark brown color that they had and it didn't match my hair. It was too light. So then I ended up just going with the darkest color that they had. And here we are now. So I slicked my hair down with a braiding hair jam, but I don't recommend using that because it frizzes up right away, so don't do that. Use like a pomade stick and then hairspray, and then you should be fine. I use two scrunchies, as you guys know, when I do my ponytails, and I'm really sorry, guys. I'm always doing ponytails, but they're my favorites. So yeah. What else did I want to say? I'm sorry, guys. I also disappeared for a little bit just because I moved and I just got overwhelmed. I was uninspired. I had to do it was just a lot. So I was just like, I had to take a break, but I'm back. I'm gonna get back into the routine of stuff, and yeah. So one thing that I wanted to mention to you guys is, so you guys see how my hair is curled right here? Don't do that. So that ended up messing up my ponytail because it kept sticking out. So if you're gonna do this particular ponytail, just make sure your hair is completely straight underneath it so you won't have the issues that I had for that night. So you guys know the rest is pretty self-explanatory. So after you put the comb in, you just make sure that you connect the Velcro piece together and then wrap the rest of the hair around. You don't have to use as many bobby pins with this particular ponytail, which is great. It feels nice and secure and you don't have to worry about it like going anywhere. But I would add a few bobby pins just in case, you never know. So after I did my baby hairs, I pulled the hair forward so it looks like I have a half up, half down. I wish I would have made the ponytail a little bit higher, but that'll be for next time. Right here, I'm struggling because remember, I left my hair curled, my natural hair curled underneath, so it was sticking out. It was a hot mess, but I was too scared to take the flat iron and then end up melting my hair with the fake hair. I was like, you know what? You fucked up and you're gonna have to deal with it, you know? Those are the consequences of your stupidity, Mary. Okay. So this is what the ponytail looks like, guys. I love the texture of this synthetic hair. That's really why I went and got the longer version of this hair. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I love you. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you guys would like to see how I styled this whole look, follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.